So hey guys, welcome back to Boruto Explained. In this video I will discuss about Boruto Chapter 71 spoilers. But before getting into the video, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to watch Boruto content. In previous chapter we see Code's limiters being eliminated. And now Code is currently at his maximum capacity. In Chapter 71 it will not go easy for Code as we have Boruto. So now let's discuss the leaks we got so far. In first part of the chapter we all see Yamato stalling. And that's only the first 12% of the chapter. And next we will see Daemon intervention. We will see Daemon vs Code round 1 and arguing among themselves. And in third part we will Naruto, Sasuke, Kwaki, Shiakamaru, all of them in Konoha, discussing about the current situation going on. And in the fourth part, we will see more chatting. We will also see Daemon vs Code tension setup. And in part 5 we will see Daemon vs Code round 2. Part 6 will be aftermath, and this will going to be between Eida and Yamato. Boruto Chapter 71 is as yet a couple of days from its release date, which is June 20. And as the leaks we got so far, we will see Code admits his affection to Eida. But Eida dismisses Code's proposition, which leads to fight among Daemon and Code. And that's it in this video guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I would really appreciate it if you guys subscribe to the channel.